तो आ गया भैया, आ गया मेरा लैपटॉप आ गया. So today I got my laptop from my company and उन्होंने ये भेजा है through Amazon. Let's just open it here. Let's cut it straight away and let me take the box away. Oh, this is the bill which was paid by my company, and let's take out the box. This is very well packed and jacked from everywhere. Let's take it out. Nikal ja, nikal ja, nikal ja. The packaging is really great, guys. So taking this out, now we have got it out, and यहाँ पे they have put sellotape also. I'm cutting it with my scissors, but my scissors are not able to cut it. See, it has 3-4 layers of this plastic, and that is why it is very safe here, because it didn't come from India, it has come from some other country. I had a sticker of customs on the box. So let's just tear it open. I think I need scissors also. Let's cut it again. Here there's a tape. Both sides उन्होंने tape लगा के भेजा है. And okay,
here we go.
Okay, box is out
Ta-da!
now. Let's
the laptop has been
seal.
opened.
This
seal.
is, guys,
Yes,
Lenovo
seal is open
ThinkPad
now.
latest model.
और
This
अभी
comes with an i5 processor.
नया नवेला
Let's
laptop
take the laptop
box
out.
से बाहर. Wow,
Okay,
this is so
here
well
it
packed,
is.
man.
Really
And
well
it is protected from all
and
sides.
packed.
It's isolated
Right
in the
center.
middle. That's make
ठीक है,
the
निकल
packaging
निकल
good.
गया.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, this
I
is
like
the
the
first
color.
looks, guys. It's sexy, guys. See, it's so well protected. And उसके ऊपर अंदर फिर से there is one more layer of plastic to protect it. Here comes the charger. There is a user manual below the charger. That paper you can see. Okay, this is a C-type charger. Wow, that's great. Now let's take out this styrofoam and unpack and unbox the laptop. So this can be removed easily. I'm removing it. एक हाथ से कैमरा पकड़ रहा हूँ, एक हाथ से निकाल रहा हूँ, guys. ये सब पैकेजिंग, so please cooperate. वीडियो शायद इतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. Okay, we have removed it. Now let's flip it and let's remove the plastic. तो this is really lightweight, guys. जब मैंने इसे flip किया तो पता चला कि 1 kg या उससे कम ही होगा, उसके आसपास था. And the vents are all down. यहाँ पे जैसे कि sleek design है. Oh, I'm feeling like it's matte finish on the top. Oh yeah, it has a matte finish, sleek design. ThinkPad की branding है. Side में वो Lenovo का भी logo है. And here's the webcam, which is also well protected. वहाँ पे वो जो slit होती है for privacy, that is there. यहाँ पे कुछ उनके functions उन्होंने दिए हैं, specifications, features वगैरह. Here again inside they have matte finish, and this power button has dual function. It has fingerprint sensor as well, and it also serves as a switch it on. Okay, it has luckily started, and let's just wait for it to start. And इसके बाद I'll set it up. I'll put the languages. See, this is i5 processor. यहाँ पे कुछ CO2 offset technology भी है. So this is new and really improved. मैंने previous company में I had used a old model of ThinkPad which was not good, guys. वो बहुत ही slow था, kind of potato PC था. AutoCAD उसमें ठीक से नहीं चलता था, so it was really bad experience. I hope this will be a lot more faster and cool. Okay, now we are setting up with the languages. After this I did set up my PC. I changed the languages, put in the region, and that was all about today's video, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to this video, and share how was your experience while watching this video and what you got to learn. Thank you, and keep smiling